as the ratchet turns.
Sean, you're watching As the Ratchet Turns. Let's see what's going on around the shop. Got Brad and Raymond repairing exhaust on the Tacoma. The old 79 F-150 Ranger. Putting the radiator in it and doing some other repairs. Got Ron working on the Honda. Replacing timing belt. Put a distributor in it. Alright, we're doing some maintenance on the Dodge Nitro. It's just about done. Got Ryan working on the Equinox. Replacing timing chains.
Ford Fusion. What? Transmission problems? What's wrong with the transmission, Brad? The transmission control module is junk. Very common issue.
This thing is a manually or automatically shipped manual transmission.
Yeah, you heard that correct.
Hey, got check engine light on my old Suburban. How much y'all charge to check that out? Diagnostics. Well, sir, our standard diagnostics is $84 plus tax. What do you mean $80-some to diagnose my check engine light? They on parts stores do it for free. You tell me what the difference is of that. Well, the difference is what the parts stores have is a code reader. That's going to give you the code causing the check engine light to come on. And then they're going to take that code, put it in the computer, and it's going to tell them what the most probable cause is for that code. May or may not be what's wrong with the vehicle. What we do, we have very technical diagnostic equipment and computers. We go in and diagnose the actual problem. The codes, of course, we do use them, points us in the right direction. We can also see a lot more data to help us diagnose the exact problem. Well, if you put it that way, I already put $300 worth of parts in this thing, so $80-some don't sound too bad. And if you can tell me what's wrong with it, have at her. 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. That's going to wrap up another episode of As the Ratchet Turns at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Don't forget to share our videos, like our Facebook page, and most importantly, stop out and see us for all your automotive service and repair needs.